Open the box, take out the case. You need to take off the protective sticker on the case. Then take out the earbuds. When you take them out, you need to tear off the sticker on the earbuds. Then we put them back to the charging case. Open the Bluetooth function on your mobile device. Then take out the earbuds. They will turn on and enter pairing mode automatically. Then find the Oraimo FreePods tool. Click to connect. It's connected successfully. If you have any problem with these earbuds, like you failed to pair, you can try this. Put them in the charging case and then take them out. Then just repeat the pairing steps.